In many countries, you can now take the IELTS test on a computer. The test format, task type and timings are the same as the paper-based test, but of course there are some differences in the actual way that you answer questions, such as the ability to easily edit as you write, use drag and drop for labels and headings, and the ability to highlight text and make notes on screen in the reading test. In this video, we'll take you on a walkthrough of how the computer-delivered IELTS test works and show you some examples. In the links under this video, you'll find full tutorials on each part as well as practice tests so you can try it for yourself. At the start of the test, you'll check all your details are correct, then test the headphones and adjust the volume before starting the listening test itself. Once you've read through the instructions, you click the Start Test button. You'll then have some time to read through the questions before the audio starts playing. For each part of the listening test, you'll hear the recording once only. Some parts of the test have more than one type of question, so make sure you read and listen carefully to all the instructions. All the question types are exactly the same as in the paper-based test, but some questions use a different method to record your answers, such as dragging and dropping words to fill gaps or to label diagrams. Remember, for every question you can change your answer at any time. In the reading test, the text appears on the left of the screen and the questions on the right, with scroll bars for each one to allow you to see the full text and all the questions. To answer the questions, you'll choose from a set of options, complete gaps with words, or drag and drop headings and labels onto text or diagrams. While you're reading, you can highlight parts of the text with key information or places you think the answers to questions are located, and you can also easily add notes to help you when you go back to that section. In the writing test, you'll see the question on the left of the screen and the space to write your answer on the right. Your answers are saved automatically, so you don't need to press any buttons to save or submit them. You can make any changes as you write or after you finish. You can either complete task 1, then task 2 in order, or start with task 2 if you prefer. It's up to you. At the end of both the reading and writing tests, the clock will turn red and flash when you have 10 and 5 minutes left.